AICC General Secretary and Karnataka in charge Randeep Singh Surjewala on Sunday accused the BJP-led central government of denying Karnataka nearly 2 lakh crore rupees in funds. He called it an anti-Kannadiga vendetta and said the people of Karnataka are being treated unfairly. Surjewala said the Narendra Modi-led government has denied Karnataka its rightful dues. He also criticized Karnataka BJP leaders for remaining silent and what he described as the centre's stepmotherly treatment toward Kannadigas. He added that the BJP has betrayed Karnataka and does not deserve the votes of the Kannadigas. Surjewala also emphasized that the BJP is harmful for Karnataka. He accused the centre of denying budgetary dues, blocking development projects and opposing the 5 Karnataka Congress guarantee schemes: Shakti, Gruhalakshmi, Gruhajyoti, Yuvanidhi and Annabhagya. He claimed that in total, the direct loss to the people of Karnataka due to the BJP's brazen fiscal injustice is 1,97,257 crore rupees, almost 2 lakh crore rupees. Surjewala questioned whether BJP leaders would answer the people before seeking votes in Davanagere South and Bagalkot constituencies. Surjewala also accused the BJP of deliberately blocking key projects in Karnataka. He said this includes irrigation, agriculture, defense and infrastructure projects. He called it an act of revenge against Kannadigas. He listed several projects pending before the centre, including the Upper Bhadra River project, Mahadai Kalasa Banduri project, Yattina Hole drinking water project, and Mekida 2 irrigation and drinking water project. Surjewala said the BJP leaders from Karnataka, including union ministers from BJP and Janata Dal Secular, have failed to question the Prime Minister or demand justice for Karnataka. The Congress leader also said Karnataka has been denied a defense corridor by the centre, despite contributing 67% to India's aerospace and defense manufacturing sector. He further claimed that the centre has not approved the detailed project report for a plastic park in Mangaluru. Surjewala also stated that these decisions have slowed down development in Karnataka and demanded that the centre provide the state's rightful funds and approve pending projects.